All right, let's take a start. It's Ielts speaking, part one. So I'm going to ask you some questions here. Do you usually spend by yourself or alone?
Yes, I believe that everyone should have to spend time.
Just a second. In speaking part one, they will not give you the freedom to give indirect answer. My question is, do you? And you are
Yes,
saying
I believe.
everyone, everyone. So don't give answer about everyone. Just talk about yourself because in part one, it's not good. Already you have to answer in 4 5 sentences. So, do you usually spend time by yourself? Yes, I mostly spend time by like that. So give a direct answer. Now let me ask you again. Do you usually spend time by yourself?
Yes, most of time. Yes, I spend time when I was alone.
When I am alone.
When I am
No,
alone.
you're not answering the question properly. Listen, the question is, do you usually spend time alone? So you should say, yes, I usually
Yes,
spend
I
time alone.
usually spend time alone. When I alone.
No, when you are alone, understood you are alone, then you spend time alone. Okay? So I spend time alone when I am alone. जी तो मैं कल्ला होना है तो मैं कल्ला time spend करना है. Not like that, okay? All right, let me change the question. You got confused. So give a direct answer. Right? Let's start. What did you do last time when you were alone?
Last time in my spare time,
I'm
I
not talking about your spare time. I'm talking about the time when you were alone. So what
last
you are
last
doing, you are
time
changing the question. Yeah.
last time when I was alone, I watch movies.
I watched
I
movies
watched movies and having a cup of tea
and had a cup of tea.
and had a cup of tea. Uh, First of all, and secondly, when I have when I am alone,
Okay, the question
when,
is about past. What did you do last time? So when I was alone,
when
I
I was
also
alone, I also do yoga.
I did yoga.
I did yoga that give me strength and
That
focus.
okay. Now you know what you're doing. You're changing the question, right? I did yoga, and then you're describing yoga. Don't describe yoga,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Now let's go on. Do you like times? Do you like spending time alone or with your friends?
I like to spend time alone.
Why?
Because in that time I focus on myself what I have
I
did
can
in
focus
I
myself,
can focus on my I can
myself.
focus on myself what I did in my whole day. If I had done something wrong, so I try to correct it.
Very good. So I do meditation when I'm alone. Therefore, I love to spend time alone. All right, one last question. How do you usually spend time alone? Now, just talk about a couple of activities which you perform.
Sir, can you repeat
Sure.
this?
How do you usually spend time alone? Or let me change it. Do you like spending time alone?
Yes,
Say,
I
yes,
like.
I like it very
I
much.
like it
Just
very
carry on,
much.
carry on.
Yes, I like it very much.
Agge bhi bolo. All right. Do you like spending time alone? Yes, I love to spend time alone because when I am alone, it helps me discover myself. And self discovery is very, very important. So, therefore, whenever I get an opportunity to be alone, I usually meditate and I like this thing very much. Meditate and all that, okay? All right, let's go on. It's your turn. Yeah, it's similar topic almost, being bored. So let's see. What did you do or what do you do, present tense? What do you do when you feel bored?
Well, I am when I am getting bored.
When I get
When
bored,
I get bored, I do different activities. Like firstly, I go outside of the home and
I go out of home.
out of home and walk on the road and enjoy the nature.
Good.
And secondly, I when I'm feeling bored,
When I feel bored,
feel bored, I go to the backyard of of on my house and try to gardening different
try to do some gardening
gardening
activities.
activities.
So yeah,
So
so this is what I do whenever I feel bored. Okay, what kind of things are boring to you?
Well, most of the things are getting well boring to me, like the reading of the history books. This is the most thing that
That's the most boring thing
most
for
boring
me.
thing for me because I cannot absorb the history. So the other thing that I am boring from the animated movies.
Okay, watching animated movies. So such kind of activities are really boring for me, right? Or they bore me to death like that. Okay, do you think young people are more likely to get bored?
No, I likely to explain that young people will not have not getting bored.
Young people do not get bored easily.
You do not easily, because in the modern era they do many activities on their mobile phone, like use of social media apps, and connect to other friends on easily.
All right, one last question. What do you do to avoid boredom, or what do you do to overcome boredom?
To over well, this is an interesting question. To overcome the
Boredom.
boredom, people engage.
I'm saying, what do you do? I engage
Yes, yes.
myself with people,
I engage myself to the people,
with the people.
with the people, to avoid this thing, and also try to discover new things to when I am free. So in the free time, mostly people get bored.
No, I'm not asking about people. My question is,
I
what
feel
do you
bored.
do to overcome boredom?
Mostly I get bored on the free time. So I do to discover new things
Okay,
on
so
that
I
time.
mix up with the people, I talk to them, and this is how I remove my boredom. So the first thing is grammar. Second, try to understand the topic and then come up with some good ideas to answer the question, right? Okay, thank you very much.